What would I like to change from my life? Madam Topics Master and everyone who is listening, ladies and gentlemen, what is the promise? What is the condition? And can you promise that if I change something from my life and the repercussions of the life I'm living right now will not change? And I'm sure you are not able to promise that. If you are not able to promise that, then I don't want to change any single thing. Yes, there are many things worth crying, worth laughing, worth smiling, worth doing nothing, and just sitting and realizing how did they happen and how did I face them? Where did I get the power from? Where did I get that feeling from? Yes, life was not easy. Life is not easy. And I'm sure life will not be easy. But that same thing, whatever has happened, the tough times, they have trained me. They have trained us for the bad times, for the tough times. And I don't think I would like to change any single bit of my past, of my present, because these things will lead me to something great. And I really mean it. You believe or not, this session is being recorded. Mark it, write it down, jot it down somewhere. Something great will happen without any doubt. If you are planning to change, yes, there are a million things we can count and we can feel, we can expect that let them change. But again, the result will be completely different. You cannot promise, we cannot promise the result will be in our favor or against us. So, ladies and gentlemen, you believe or not, we are much, much, much blessed than millions of people, rather billions of people around the globe. Just be thankful, be grateful. Life is not easy, what we feel. We look at the people's one side only, their lives one side only, when they are smiling, when they're sharing pictures of their dinners, their lunches, picture with their friends. But you don't know when they are crying, when they are all left alone, when they have lost everything in their life. Trust me, in order to judge somebody, we need to live their life fully, or watch their life fully, or understand their life fully. So please be grateful. You believe or not, I can see in your eyes, you guys are amazing and so blessed. Only one point is missing sometimes, that we are not grateful what we have. Be grateful, and I don't want to change anything in my life. I'm very happy about it because you are part of my life. Thank you so much. Back to you, ma'am.